It's Scentsy Whiffs time. So if you want to see what this month's theme is, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Binda aren't with me this evening because I'm at my mom's. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. This is my Scentsy Whiffs box. So I have been so impressed because it's not just the scent bricks for your wax warmers, but there's all kinds of neat products in here. So I'm always excited when I open this up. There is usually at least one scent brick in there, but there's all kinds of different things and they smell amazing. I have a wax warmer at work and I bring it in and it just makes the office smell so nice. So this month it says be kind to yourself. So that looks like the theme. It smells amazing in here. I think this is going to be a self-care type theme. So right on top is a scent brick in Jammin' Jubilee. Ooh, so nice. So it's kind of fruity and juicy, and this is fantastic. I might bring this one into work because I have another similar kind of scent at home. We have a body cream in Water Lily and Bergamot. Now, I love that. This has sunflower and oil and aloe in it, and love those scents. This is probably going to be sealed, so it is, which is nice to know if they come in sealed. Oh, that is lovely. Lovely. It definitely has that water lily scent, and then the citrus is kind of below that. We have a hand soap in Jammy Time. So I'm going to guess that is a lavender. It's also lip. I'm not going to take it out of there, but I'm going to guess that that's a lavender scent. I think it says that. Freesia, lavender, and sweet pea. We have a body wash in Starburst Sky. Ooh. Oh, is it kind of fruity? What's it say on here? Sweet apple, amber blossom, whipped vanilla, and creamy coconut. This is lovely. Yes. You can definitely smell the fruitier scents. We have some body wipes in pink pineapple and sugar. So these are great, like if you are out and about and you're sweating. Like sometimes today I was doing a tour of where we work. So I was outside, and on a hotter day I would get sweaty. So these would be great to just kind of like clean up a little bit after being outside for something like that. So, and pink pineapple and sugar. Are you kidding me? Yes, that's exactly how I want to smell. Oh, that is insanely good. And the last thing in here is a Scentsy weighted eye mask. So this has some beads in here. I don't know if it's meant to be weighted or if it's meant to be something that's scented. Let's see, does it say weighted? So it is a weighted one. It may or may not have scent. We'll find out in a moment. No, no scent. Yep, just a weighted eye mask, and that is really nice. And it doesn't have that little adjustable cord that will sometimes on the back of your head, if you sleep on your back, cause you problems. So really, really nice. I like that. And it's not very heavy. Like, it's a nice weight. I have another one that I got in FabFitFun 2 years back, and I do like it, but it is a more heavy weight, so it's harder to sleep in because I'm a side sleeper, and so all the weight in it shifts over. But this one, look at that, that's not going to happen because they have that quilting right there. All right, that is my Scentsy box. I do have information down below as to how you can go about purchasing one of these. It does have the site for my Scentsy person. So she is someone who is a big supporter of our YouTube channels here. And so when I found out that she had her own business, I wanted to give her some support back. So her name is Stacy, and she does, great letting you know when sales and all that are. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.